Another person has asked me, I have osteoporosis. Please tell me the sources of calcium and vitamin D. Adequate source of calcium is dairy products. Dairy products are a very good source of calcium, like milk, yogurt, etc. Other dairy products are extremely good, like cheese. They are a very good source of calcium. Another person has asked me, please tell me the source of vitamin D. Nature has blessed us with the greatest source of vitamin D in the world, sunlight. All of us are inside the house, especially now with COVID. Even children don't go out and play. Children have forgotten what to play. When I was a child, about 55 years ago, I was only on the road, only exposed to sunlight. Now, where is the sun? Where is the light? We have no light to see the sun at all. We are in the dark. Adequate sunlight, people should get exposed to the sunlight, say about 7 to 7:30 in the morning, at least for half an hour. They say 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock. In India, in Chennai and all, you get exposed 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock, you will become mad. So you should get exposed to sunlight. And some people are very shrewd that they go and expose themselves in the sunlight after wearing a sunscreener. What was the use of wearing a sunscreener and going to stand in the sunlight? Sunlight is a very good source of vitamin D. Dairy products are a very good source of vitamin D. Fish is a very good source of vitamin D. How frequently we should check blood RA factors, sir? There are some people who religiously do it once a month. It is absolutely wrong and crazy. Even as a doctor, we don't repeat it, to be very, very frank. Or we may repeat it once in a year or once in 2 years. There is no need to keep on repeating rheumatoid factor every month. Like, it's not like the stock market where you see daily, oh, my rheumatoid factor has gone up, I'm getting into trouble. Oh, my rheumatoid factor has come down, I'm happy. Don't do rheumatoid factor regularly. Some people are obsessed doing the rheumatoid factor. Could a patient with OA of the knees and hips walk or do other gentle exercises even if it is painful? If yes, how many minutes? Does consumption of wine, alcohol increase OA pain? Oh, this fellow is putting me in trouble. Well, the exercises and activity to every patient with OA is tailored to the capacity of the patient, and that will be decided by the physiotherapist and the doctor. I can't put a general rule and say, all of you walk for half an hour. But one thing I'll tell you, you'll have to be as active as possible to prevent further deterioration of osteoarthritis. You can walk, do gentle exercises. Don't lie in the bed. If you lie in the bed, you will get into trouble. 26-year-old female with RA, will it affect marriage life and pregnancy? Fantastic question. People with rheumatoid arthritis can get married. They can have children. I have had mothers who have had rheumatoid arthritis. They have had children. Their children had developed rheumatoid arthritis and they also got married and they had grandchildren also. So there is no contraindication to get married in rheumatoid arthritis. Only thing, if they intend becoming pregnant, the doctor will advise what medications to be avoided. That's very, very important. The second important thing which I like to tell you is we have to have social empathy for our spouses. Just because they have rheumatoid arthritis, we cannot treat them very badly and ask for a separation. That's very bad. You married a person. You have to get along and be empathetic to them and take care of them. You cannot disown them just because they developed arthritis. Can a patient with sarcoidosis take vitamin D? Never, 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 never. Sarcoid patients should never take vitamin D at all. It is absolutely wrong. I think I finished. There are no more questions. Amit, some questions are here. How much is CRP important to understand inflammation in the body? CRP is very, very important. We actually do it periodically to assess the disease activity in rheumatoid arthritis. We do it once in 3 months to 6 months. Is it necessary to continue Visalon 2.5 as prescribed by my doctor? Oh, they're putting my own name. Yes, since I have prescribed Visalon 2.5 milligram and I have asked you to continue it, you kindly continue it. Don't stop it. What are the symptoms of SLE? How long SLE symptoms prevail? Is ANA the only test to identify SLE? Right. Symptoms of SLE are prolonged fever, rash, oral ulcers, hair fall, and arthritis. These are the commonest symptoms of SLE, especially when they go out in the sunlight, the face will become very, very red. How long the symptoms will prevail? These symptoms will prevail even for a long period of time because SLE is not curable. But once you start treatment, they will become absolutely normal. Nothing to get worried at all. Is ANA the only test to identify SLE? Yes. Anti-nuclear antibody detection is one of the tests to detect SLE. In addition to that, there are various other immunological tests to be done. Doctor, please tell me what are the side effects of steroids? Already told, but repeat for your sake. Steroids can cause brittle bone, it can cause diabetes, it can cause blood pressure. So steroids can cause harm, side effects. I told you that they are good friends, but bad foes. My mom is taking leflunomide, methotrexate, etc. Pain is aggravating. Can we increase the dose? I would like to tell you, Shankar Narayanan, that you better consult your rheumatologist. He requires medications, and you have written that she is taking silver also. No metals in rheumatoid arthritis. They are all nephrotoxic. Before, people used to take natural gold called as Tangapaspam, and that caused a lot of renal problems. Do not take heavy metals at all in rheumatoid arthritis. Any diet already told, do's and don'ts is said. Nutritious diet, that's all. Is scleroderma controllable? Yes, it is controllable with medications and with biologics. Is there any associated disease of psoriasis and arthritis? Yes, 30% of patients with a skin problem called psoriasis can develop psoriatic arthritis. Can early treatment of arthritis prevent hip joint replacement surgery? 100%. The earlier you treat a patient, the earlier you can prevent the deformities, and you can prevent surgical intervention in them. Can early treatment of arthritis, can RA lead to death? One thing I would like to tell you, rheumatoid arthritis, all of us think it is only a disease which affects the joints, but it can affect other structures. It can affect the lung, where they have breathing problems. It can affect the heart blood vessels. So a lot of premature heart attack is seen in patients with rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis per se, due to arthritis, will not cause earlier death, but it can affect the heart blood vessels. It can affect the lung. So there are greater risks to die if these problems occur. Somebody has said, aha, I don't know what he meant by it. Somebody is laughing at me. Good. Nice. I have a lot of problem of joint pain a long time. I've taken medications for a long time, but not cured still. I'd like to tell you one important thing. One important cause for joint pain or rheumatism is the mind. Mental stress, mental depression can affect the body. This is what is called the relation between the psyche and the soma, between the mind and the body. People who are very tensed can develop joint pain, they can develop spine pain. In fact, we send them to a clinical psychologist who analyzes them and puts them to a regular mental relaxation program. Emotional problems can cause joint pain, but we tell it only after excluding all diseases. So when I refer them to a clinical psychologist, my patients feel like boxing me on my cheek. But ultimately, when the results come and they are found to be anxious, then they ultimately accept it and go through yoga, pranayama, and relaxation exercises, makes them fine. The symptom in arthritis is pain in the joint, swelling in the joint, warmth in the joint with restriction of joint movement. If anybody, one person has asked, I have been having rheumatoid arthritis, I have not responded to any of the oral medications. If you have not responded to any of the oral medications, then you will have to get into biologics. You kindly consult your rheumatologist. Somebody is asking, doctor, without biologics, is there any other alternative medicine? There are alternative medicines orally also, but one important thing, if they do not respond to the oral medications, biologics is the only answer to the solution. No other thing is there. In SLE, how long to take the medicine for SLE? Will SLE reverse over a period of time after taking medication? I tell you one thing, since it is curable, with the treatment, they get into complete control and they lead a normal life. No problem. They're absolutely normal. When they have and we reduce the drugs also. In some people, we even stop the medication. Please do not have a wrong notion. Just because I said it is not curable, the person has to take lifelong medications till one goes to the grave. It's not at all like that. In some of the people, when the disease gets controlled, we reduce the drug medication and even stop it. Nothing to worry. Each person with SLE or rheumatoid arthritis or ankylosing spondylitis behaves differently. All of them do not follow the same road. Okay, that's very, very important. There is a diversity in the course.